Hello Primary 5, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to study geometric transformations. And we can start by these three figures or with these three figures. Okay, and these figures or in the opposite figure, the colored triangle is transformed to another position. For example, in this figure, the green triangle is transformed to another position using the reflection. And in this figure, the yellow triangle moved to another place or transformed to another place using the rotation. So we have rotation means move this shape like this in this figure, and we have the reflection is moving this shape or transform this figure or this triangle using the reflection. And the third figure we have translation. Translation means move the figure or the shape from the place to another place, and we notice that this pink triangle is translation from this position to this position. So we have these three geometric transformations: reflection like the first figure, and translation like this figure, and rotation like the yellow triangle. And these three transformations is according to a certain system known as geometric transformations. So we have three geometric transformations. The first one is the reflection and rotation and the translation. So let's learn what is the meaning of transformations or of these transformations. When we look at the first figure, we have the reflection, and each geometric translation has a specific meaning. For example, reflecting the figure, which is called reflection, and moving the figure in a certain direction, like this figure, we move this triangle in this direction, so which is called translation. And turning the figure around a point, like this figure, we turn this triangle around the point D, so turning the figure around the point or a point with a certain angle, which is called rotation. So now we know what is the meaning of reflection and rotation and translation. So we have these three transformations, and let's look at this remark. In this remark, a geometric transformations transforms every point A in the plane to another point A dash in the plane itself. For example, if we look at this point E, we have E dash, and if we move it to, or we translate it, or we transform this point to the place F dash in the same plane. So let's learn how to do the reflection. If we look at these, notice we have draw on a graph paper a triangle as shown in the opposite figure. We have to draw this triangle, then put a vertical flat mirror like AB, this straight line AB as shown. Then in number 3, observe the reflection of the triangle in the mirror. So let's try to do it. This is the graph paper, and the first step is drawing a square or any shape or a triangle, so we can use this square. Then we have to draw the line or the mirror, or the straight line represents the mirror AB. So we have this straight line called AB, and AB represents the flat mirror. Then we need to observe the reflection in the mirror, so we have to determine the distance between this figure or the vertices and the mirror. So for example, in this point we have the distance equals 2 units, so we have to start after 2 units. So we have to start from this point, then we move this point, so we have these 2 points, and this point or the distance between this point and the mirror is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So the point will be here. Then we have to move this point, or we have to observe this point in the mirror. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have this point. Then now we can draw, or we can make the reflection of this square using these points. We can start from this point to these points. So now we make the reflection. So now we know how to make the reflection, and now let's learn how to make the reflection across the straight line or across a line. So the reflection across a line, we have to start with the image of a point by reflection, or how to find the image of a point by reflection. To find the image of point A by reflection across line L. So this is the point A and this is the line L, and we need to find the image of the point A by reflection across the line L. So we have to start by draw a line segment perpendicular to the line L and intersect it at the point, for example, E. Then we have to measure the length of the line segment AE. Then we make another line segment like AE. So we have to draw another line segment like AE and have the same length of AE. It's called EA dash. Then we place the point A dash, and the point A dash will be the image of the point A. So now we can find the image of a point by reflection across a line L. We can use this straight line, and for example, the point C is placed here. So we have the point C, and we need to find the image of the point C by reflecting across this line AB. So we can start by drawing a perpendicular line. We have to use the set square to help us to draw a perpendicular line to the straight line AB from the point C to the straight line AB. So now we can draw this perpendicular line. Then we have to measure the length of this straight line. The measure of this straight line equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 units. So the length of this line is 7 units, and it intersects this line AB at this point, and this point is called E. So now we have to find the image of the point C by reflecting across this line. So we have to use the set square to help us to draw another perpendicular line. So we have to use the set square to help us to draw another perpendicular line and have the same length like CE. So we have to draw EC dash, and CE, or the line segment CE, should be equal EC dash or C dash E. So we have to draw a 7 units. So the length of EC dash should be 7 units. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this is the length of the line segment EC dash. So the point C dash is placed here. So now we found the image of the point C by reflecting across the line AB. Across the line AB. So this is the image of the point C dash by reflecting across the line AB. And now let's learn how to find the image of a line segment. So the image of the line segment CD. To find the image of the line segment CD by reflecting across the line AB, we have to find the image of the point C and the image of the point D, and we have to draw a perpendicular line to the straight line AB. And we notice that in this graph paper all horizontal lines are perpendicular to the all vertical lines. So we can use this line to help us to find the image of the point C. So we have to measure the distance between the point C and AB. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 units. Then we have to move 7 units in this way. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the point C dash, or the image of the point C, is placed here. So we have C dash. Then we have to do the same with the point D. To find the image of the point D, we have to find the distance between the point D and the line AB. We have 2 units, then we have to move 2 units, then we place the point D dash, or the image of the point D. Then we have to use our ruler to help us to draw this line segment, or the image of the line segment CD, and the image of the line segment CD is called CD dash. So the image of the line segment CD, by reflecting across the line AB, is the line segment C dash D dash. And now we have a question, and try to think about this question. In this question, if the point E is located on the line AB, and we need to find the image of this point, the image of the point E. If the point E belongs to the line AB, so what can we do to find the image of the point E? So we have to find the distance between E and the line AB, and we notice that E as belongs to AB, so E dash is also belongs to the same line, or have the same place. So E and E dash are belongs to the same line. And we notice that the distance between the point C and the line AB equals the distance between the point C dash and the line AB. So we can say that the line AB bisects the line segment C dash. So let's complete our lesson. Let's look at the last part of our lesson, how to find the image of a geometric figure by reflection. For example, to find the image of the triangle ABC, this triangle, by reflection across the line L. So we have the triangle ABC is made up of 3 sides. AB and BC and AC. We have AB and BC and AC. So we have to find the image of all these line segments by reflection across the line L. So we have to start by locate A dash, the image of A. We have to locate the image of A, and we locate the image of B dash. Then we put the image, or we locate the image of the point C dash, by reflection across the line L. Then we have to draw all line segments A dash B dash and B dash C dash and A dash C dash. Then we get the triangle A dash B dash C dash, and this is the image of the triangle ABC by reflection across L. So we can find the image of any shape or any polygon by reflection across a line by following these steps. Now we finished our lesson, and by the end of the lesson, study hard and stay safe. Good luck.